Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing unboxings of some phones I picked up over the past couple weeks. These ones I just bought from sellers in no particular order. So we're just going to open a little section, and I got some that are boxed that I'll do another video on. So we'll see how this one goes. This one looks to be taped up pretty good. And I don't remember these, to be honest with you. It's been a while since I ordered some of these, so. I do remember these ones. iPhone 4 and a 5S, if I remember right. Or a 5, it was one of the two. Alright, here's the first one. Front display is cracked. It is a 5S, if I remember right. Looks like it. It's the model A1453. Definitely seen. I got dirt all over my fingers now. Front screen is cracked. Home button looks good. Power button is really iffy. It does turn on. Here's an iPhone 4. Maybe 4S actually. Got the SIM card. Channel line isn't on top, so it's probably a 4S. The battery is expanded and left a nice sharp piece of glass jetting out. So this one probably isn't going to turn on because it needs a battery. And the LCD might be damaged from it expanding. Sometimes they push on them and crack them. So there's that one. Set that one aside with its sharp piece of glass sticking out the back. We'll see if that turns on. While it turns on, we will look at another one real quick. Here is a BlackBerry on Autel. As you know, Autel is my favorite, so it's the 8830. No SD card. No battery. Let's have the back cover at least. I think that one's just dead. It's got a few scratches on it. Nothing too bad on it though. Here's a Verizon, Samsung. No battery. i770. It's got a SIM card. No SD card. It does have a back cover as well. And it looks like it does have what I'm guessing is a stylus. Yep. Like I said, no battery. I don't know why I even tried to turn it on. One of them days. Pretty good shape. Probably clean it up. It'd be alright. Looks like it's a piece of tape there, maybe. Yeah, it's dirty. Not cracked or anything. Got a lot of scratches on the screen. It is a rolled phone. That's why it has a SIM card slot. Even though Verizon's GSM, you could have used this overseas with a SIM card. That's weird. Is that like a... looks different. Alright, there's those. We'll start with this one here again. These are Samsung N3300s. One's on Autel, which I already have an Autel one. Push two buttons, the screen's supposed to pop out. See, it is taped. This is on Autel. LCD looks good. This is one of my favorite phones back in the day. It's just different. It was cool. Push a button, screen popped up. No camera sucked. I actually used one of these. I had it flashed at Page Plus, and the no camera sucked. But other than that, it was one of my favorite phones to use. And then there is the same thing in Verizon, which I do not have a Verizon one, which is why I bought this a lot. The battery on this one's really bulged out. So this would probably end up for sale because this one looks already got an Autel one. Definitely a little sticky. Let's see, they're both dead, but pretty good shape. It's got a piece of tape on it too. Pretty good shape, I would say. Alright, let's move on to the next one. I said it's been a while since I picked some of these up. I'll probably remember them, but we'll see. Keep it going here. Here is this one. This is a Samsung. I think it just slides back. There we go. SCH i600 on Verizon. This is a Windows mobile device, or Windows powered, I guess. It is dead. That's a different charger for a Samsung, of course. Why would they keep the same chargers they've been using? Got a full SD card on a micro. That one there, no camera either. There's another one here. Do you guys like when I do the videos, the unboxings, kind of like group them together, or would you like me to go back to doing each one of them separately? Well, let me know in the comments on that. I don't mind doing them either way. Doing them grouped together is easier to edit and just make, to be honest with you, but I can do them either way. Front screen isn't cracked. LCD's good. This is a Casio Type V. So I don't have a lot of Casio phones, and this is on Verizon. Pretty good shape. Let's see if I have a charger for it. Water indicator is right on the charging port. Hey, this one's got power. I didn't even mean to turn it on. Keypad looks good. Just a little scratched up. Overall, in pretty decent shape. We'll let that one turn on and keep on going. Alright, see, it looks like it has been reset. It's got a full battery actually, so it's got a good battery in it too. Well, that was interesting. I hate these packages, to be honest with you. I don't know why. They do protect the phone though. I mean, they're all bubble wrapped, so they just suck to open. Here is an Amazon Fire phone. Here's the model number. Now, I've seen these. I've always wanted one just to have. I don't think this one worked if I remember right, but a little damage there. There's a button there. It's got 4 cameras on the corner. Front-facing camera. It almost kind of looks like an iPhone 4, just kind of backwards on the camera. I mean, the front's obviously different, but kind of same concept. Looks to be in decent shape. It takes micro USB back in that time, so I'll do some more testing, see what we can come up with on that one. I only paid like 10 or 11 bucks for that phone. It wasn't too bad. Here we have 2 Samsung SPHA 920s. These are both on Quest, which I have Sprint ones if I remember right, if I didn't get rid of them, hopefully. So these are on both Quest Q. I will keep the better one and probably sell the other one because I do not need 2 of them. I have enough trouble storing the phones I already have. This one's probably going to be the one for sale. It's got a, I don't know if it even works. Definitely broken there. There's those for you. And the last one. There. This is an iPhone 4 GSM parts lot, I guess. Supposed to be iCloud unlocked. Supposed to be. A little baggie of parts, which is always fun. I see no screws. There's a few there, which I do have a couple iPhones I'm about to part out, so it's not a big deal. This looks like to be the mid frame, no screen. It's nice to have the back because the IMEI numbers, ESN numbers are, oh, they used to be, no, they're on the SIM card, never mind. It does have the right model number and stuff. But here's a 4 SIM card and then the antenna mark up here. If it has no antenna mark up here and a SIM card, it's probably a 4S. So there's the motherboard here. A little dirty. Let's check the plugins. That board looks to be missing a piece off the top, but it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.